Hidden Village in Poblacion Alfonso, Cavite. Hello investors! Andito tayo ngayon sa pinakabagong project namin sa Alfonso, Cavite. Ang lapad na kalsada dito is 10 meters for main road, while the secondary road is 8 meters wide. Free transfer of title. Dito ilalagay ang gate and guardhouse. Cemented road ito at merong drainage system. Magkakaroon din ito ng perimeter fence, electric and water system, and also street light. Ang mga sukat ng lupa dito is 150 square meter up to 200 square meter. 6,000 per square meter for inner lot and 6,500 per square meter for the corner lot. 24% down payment and the balance is 3 years to pay, 0 interest. Reservation fee is only 10,000 pesos. 15 to 20 minutes drive sa Tagaytay City, malapit sa church, schools, and convenience store. What are you waiting for? Reserve now! Thank you for watching!